HTML tables. HTML tables are used to display data in rows and columns on a web page. Tables can be used to organize and present data in a clear and easy-to-read format. Here is an example or syntax. The table tag is used to define a table in HTML. It acts as a container for all the other table elements. The tr tag is used to define a row in the table. The th tag is used to define header cells in a table. Text within th tags is usually bold and centered by default. The td tag is used to define standard cells in a table. It contains the actual data of the table. You can visit additional Sheet.com website for detailed explanation and use Playground for online code change. Conclusion. HTML tables are used to organize and display data in rows and columns. They are commonly used for presenting tabular data such as lists, charts, and statistics. CSS can be used to style tables for better visual presentation. Tables are versatile and widely used for displaying various types of information on websites. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.